Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HUAWEI Mate 20X and I want to show you how see available random access memory on this device. We start off opening settings application. In it, we must activate our develop mode. To do that, open about phone selection and find build number, where we must tap some time to activate our develop mode. Where we are in develop mode, we can go back and choose system and updates, where we have new additional option, developer option, and there memory. And now we can read information about our available random access memory that now it's 2.06 GB. Thanks for watching, bye.